Having a limited amount of room is not necessarily a negative thing. Thanks to these awesome small bedroom webmasters, you won't have to worry about issues connected to a cramped room anymore. Most of these clever bedroom hacks focus on making your furniture, ensuring that a limited amount of space is okay if you are creative. Next, we'll learn 10 small bedroom space-saving hacks curated by Simphome. As always, follow the link if the next presentation runs too fast for you. Number 10. The IKEA Hack DIY Computer Desk Combo Idea with Kallax Shelves. 2 of the 4 cube organizers are used first. Assemble them per the instructions. For the top, acquire a 3/4 inch 4x8 foot sheet of melamine and have it cut at the store. Slice it 30 1/4 inches deep and 72 inches wide. You can build a desk as wide as you wish. You can go bigger or smaller than the author's 6 feet. Use liquid nails to attach the desktop to the shelves. Because the shelves are hollow, screws and nails usually don't work. Use a caulking gun to apply liquid nails to the shelves' tops. Put some heavy stuff on top to press it down and dry it. Let it dry for 5 to 6 hours to ensure it's secure. You can do it in the middle or around the outside. Put trim around the top to make it seem nice. Trim with 1/4 inch MDF 1x3 inches. 2 8-foot sections are required. Lastly, polish the edges at a 45-degree angle. Number 9. The DIY Hidden Bed Storage Project Idea by At Itshoneydone. Your kids will love this bed a lot because it's both space-saving and fun. It has intriguing details like a wall climbing feature, an arch wall, and beadboard paneling that'll jazz up their bedroom. To make this bed, you must first build the frame from 2x3s. This bed will feature stairs with storage and a built-in dresser, so you need to leave some space on its sides. Once the frame is ready, attach 3/4 inch plywood to create the platform bed, stairs, and the dresser's carcass. This bed also features an arch wall for a fancy detail. To create the arch wall, begin with screwing 2x3s to the walls and ceiling. You will find it a bit challenging to attach the board to the ceiling. Thus, you need to use your stud finder, pre-drill your screws to the board, and screw it right into the stud in the ceiling. Since you've made the frame of the arch wall, it is time for you to enclose it with a shiplap. You will also need beadboard paneling to accentuate the platform bed. The fun part is the wall climbing spot, which is interesting. You only need to purchase climbing holds and attach them to a 3/4 inch or 1 inch plywood sheet. After that, screw it into the wall behind the arch wall. Info: the project is still undergoing, so follow At Itshoneydone for the completion. Number 8. A Floating Shelf Project Idea with Hidden Storage from Crafted Workshop. Floating shelves are an option when you want storage that doesn't take up so much space. They're simple and look aesthetic if appropriately applied. This is how you create the hanging shelf. Make some wood cuts. The size is optional, so you can cut them according to your space. Glue each piece and nail it, including the small piece to which you will attach it to the wall. There's your frame. Repeat the steps. Sand and stain them down. Install the cabinet hardware to join the lid or door to the shelf. Find the right place to hang them on the wall and secure them. Make sure they're leveled and have a good gap in between. Number 7. A modern floating nightstand idea with drawers. This floating nightstand makes a great companion for the bed. If your bedroom allows it to have one, then build it for yourself. You'll need the following: 1 20-inch by 96-inch by 3/4 inch pine project panel, 1 14-inch soft-close drawer slides, 1 scrap piece of 1/8 inch plywood or hardboard. Let's start drilling 3/4 inch pocket holes with a pocket hole jig. Each piece should have 4 holes or as many as necessary. Assemble the base using 1 1/4 inch screws and wood glue. Repeat the steps for the drawer as well. Install the slide drawer on the base frame and attach the drawer. Cut a French cleat and attach it to the back of the nightstand where you secure it to the wall. Give the drawer a nice lid and a handle. Make sure the drawer slides well. Number 6. A rustic floating nightstand idea. This is another excellent idea for a new nightstand. It has a herringbone style that makes it appear to be stunning. These are the steps you should follow. Assemble the 2x4s to the inside of the 1x4s. Then attach the plywood backing. After that, cut some pieces of wood for the herringbone and stain. Make a hole in the center above. Attach the nightstand to the herringbone frame. Find the right place on the wall and secure it there. Number 5. A closet transformation idea by Emvictorystudio. Lumber and racks from Home Depot. Shoe storage is a billy shelf from IKEA USA. If you have a compact walk-in closet that keeps stressing you out, try this idea to revamp it and make it the most organized closet you've ever seen. As a good rule of thumb, you need to take everything out to start fresh. Then tear down the wire shelves because you'll replace them with super cool storage. Consider using painter's tape to visualize the layout you want. After that, screw 1x2s into the corner of your walk-in closet to create supports for the new shelves. Next, get some boards and nail them on the support frames you've made. Do not forget to leave a little space in between. Then prime and paint the shelves black to contrast with the white wall. To finish it off, get 1x3s and stain them thoroughly. After that, nail them to the shelves to create front pieces. Number 4. How to turn 3 IKEA Kallax shelves to bed with extra storage area by Lauren Robinson21. You do not need to build a platform bed from scratch, which may take time and money. Try purchasing IKEA shelves and tweak them a bit instead. First, you need to get IKEA Kallax shelves. Then line them up to create a U-shape. After that, get 1x3s, measure, and cut them to length. They'll be the slats of your platform bed. Next, screw each slat to IKEA Kallax. Once your bed is ready, top it with a mattress and add storage boxes to round out the look. Number 3. A platform bed transformation idea from plywood with abundant storage. Who doesn't want to get more bed storage as long as it doesn't obstruct the beautiful bedroom? You can certainly build this stunning bed yourself. Make a plan and measure. Decide how long and wide your bed will be before cutting the plywood. Assemble all the parts and then secure them. Coat the frame with a glossy varnish. Number 2. A secret wardrobe makeover idea by Miskashoe. Turning a wardrobe into a secret dressing table or home office is not new, but this idea will help you slay anyone who sees it. Begin with getting 1/4 inch or 11/32 inch plywood boards and cut them into 6-inch strips. After that, attach the strips to the wall vertically using wood glue and nails. Consider using scrap wood or a coin for the spacer. Next, apply any finish you like to the boards. Finally, add shelves, a chair, and other decorative elements to complete the look. Fortunately, the accent wall is a fake wall. You can slide it sideways to access the hidden home office. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. A small bedroom space-saving hack with the IKEA KURA. The IKEA Trofest is a popular and well-liked piece of furniture that may be found almost exclusively in bedrooms for young people. The Trofest system is ideal for organizing children's clutter such as toys, clothes, stuffed animals, and books due to its adaptable expansion possibilities and spacious Trofest boxes. The IKEA Trofest piece, measuring 94 by 44 by 91 centimeters, can quickly and easily transform into a stairway to help your child access the loft bed. There's already a stair-like shape, and it's a good match for the KURA's height. The KURA loft bed's ladder makes getting in and out of bed a breeze and provides a ton of extra storage space, a rarity in any bedroom, but especially one dedicated to young people. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.